Leanbee saves production costs by digitizing manual assembly processes. Let us show you how. Say hi to Tom. Tom is an assembly worker at a factory, and today he has received a task to assemble 10 drones. He goes to his workplace and finds assembly instructions printed on paper. It says he needs a part number X123 for step 1. Now he needs to find it in one of 10, 20, or maybe over 40 containers all around his workplace. Then he has to find another part to perform the next step described on paper, and then another one, and then another one. Even if Tom learns to assemble this particular drone model very fast and without any instructions, he still makes mistakes and assembles at least 5% of all drones poorly. Sometimes Tom gets sick, takes vacation, or switches jobs, so his colleague John replaces him and has to learn the whole process from the beginning. After some time, Tom's factory decides to assemble vacuum cleaners instead, which also requires Tom and his colleagues to go through the learning curve again, dramatically reducing the productivity for weeks. But what if Tom's factory invested into Leanbee Pick-to-Light? All the containers at Tom's workplace have Leanbee Pick-to-Light wireless modules mounted above them. He selects a drone model from the list of available workflows on a PC at his workplace and selects Start. The first step's instruction is shown on the big screen. At the same time, the module hanging above the container with the required part starts blinking, making it easy to find in no time. Tom approaches the container with the blinking module and picks the required part. The module has a sensor that detects a correct pick, and the system moves to the next step, guiding the user through the whole assembly process. If Tom makes a mistake and reaches out for the wrong part in the wrong container, the sensor will detect that and signal about a wrong pick with a red light and on the monitor. It makes assembly errors nearly impossible. Installation of Leanbee Pick-to-Light is extremely quick and requires no extra customization costs. Our modules are designed to be mounted on most production lines with zip ties or screws, and no electrical wiring has to be implemented because the modules are fully wireless. The whole system can be mounted, remounted, and dismounted in no time. Leanbee software system also embeds a visual configurator that allows industrial engineers to create, edit, export, and import assembly workflow configurations without any coding. To learn more, visit leanbee.com.